Welcome to Touring Globe. Join me as I hunt down the world's most underrated travel spots for 2025 and see if I can find hidden gems that everyone else is missing. Ultimate Destination Guide for Hidden Gems in 2025, the world's most underrated travel spots. Sweeping drone shots of remote beaches, misty mountains, vibrant small towns, and offbeat landscapes. Calm cinematic music builds slowly. Every year, millions of travelers chase the same bucket list destinations: Paris, Tokyo, New York, Bali. But while the crowds gather in the world's most photographed places, something magical happens elsewhere, in quiet valleys, secret islands, and forgotten cities waiting to be rediscovered. This is your ultimate destination guide for hidden gems in 2025, a journey to the world's most underrated, untouched, and unforgettable places. Pack your curiosity, adventure begins where the crowds end. 1. Matera, Italy, the Stone City Reborn. Ancient cave dwellings lit by golden sunlight, narrow cobblestone alleys, cozy Italian cafes. Our first stop takes us to southern Italy, the ancient city of Matera. Once called the shame of Italy for its poverty, today it's a masterpiece of rebirth. Carved entirely into limestone cliffs, Matera's sassy caves are among the oldest inhabited dwellings in the world. Staying in a cave hotel here feels like stepping back in time, yet surrounded by world-class cuisine, warm locals, and cinematic views that have appeared in Hollywood films like No Time to Die. If you crave history, atmosphere, and authenticity, Matera will steal your heart. 2. Raja Ampat, Indonesia, paradise unseen. Turquoise lagoons, coral reefs, wooden huts over clear waters. Far from Bali's busy beaches lies Raja Ampat, a remote Indonesian archipelago that feels like another planet. Here, over 1,500 small islands rise from emerald seas, home to the richest marine biodiversity on Earth. Snorkel among glowing coral gardens, dive with manta rays, or simply drift under palm trees where Wi-Fi can't find you. It's not easy to reach, but that's exactly why it's still a secret paradise. 3. Kotor, Montenegro, Europe's hidden coastline. Medieval walls hugging the bay, yachts in blue waters, church towers at sunset. Nestled on the Adriatic, Kotor is Montenegro's crown jewel, a tiny coastal town with old Venetian charm and jaw-dropping scenery. Imagine the romance of Dubrovnik without the crowds. Climb to the castle of San Giovanni for panoramic views over the Bay of Kotor, wander through centuries-old streets, and enjoy local seafood with a glass of Montenegrin wine. In 2025, Kotor remains one of Europe's most affordable and most photogenic escapes. 4. Lofoten Islands, Norway, Arctic magic. Snow-capped peaks, red fishermen's cabins, aurora lights above icy waters. High above the Arctic Circle, the Lofoten Islands redefine the word serene. This Norwegian wonderland blends towering fjords with fishing villages so picturesque they seem painted. In summer, you'll experience the midnight sun, a day that never ends. In winter, the sky glows with the northern lights. Kayak through mirror-like waters, hike to Rheinbringen's summit, and witness nature at its purest. It's remote, wild, and absolutely unforgettable. 5. Chefchaouen, Morocco, the blue pearl of Africa. Blue painted alleys, mountain backdrops, colorful markets. In the Rif Mountains of northern Morocco lies Chefchaouen, the blue pearl. Every wall, stairway, and door is painted in soothing shades of blue, said to represent peace and the heavens. Wander its quiet lanes, enjoy mint tea with locals, and capture endless shades of serenity. Unlike Marrakesh or Fez, Chefchaouen remains peaceful and soul-refreshing, a true artist's dream. 6. Salento, Colombia, the heart of coffee country. Rolling green hills, coffee farms, colorful colonial streets. South America hides treasures far beyond its famous cities. One of them is Salento, a small Colombian town surrounded by emerald valleys and the world's tallest palm trees, the Cocora Valley. Tour a local coffee finca, ride on horseback through misty hills, and enjoy the rhythm of life that moves at the pace of the sunrise. Salento is where Colombia's heart beats slow and warm. 7. Faroe Islands, Denmark, the edge of the world. Cliffs rising over stormy seas, grass-roofed cottages, waterfalls flowing into the ocean. Between Iceland and Norway lies a secret Nordic dream, the Faroe Islands. A place where sheep outnumber people and cliffs plunge straight into the Atlantic. Hike to Gasadalur waterfall, visit turf-roofed villages, and let foggy winds remind you how small yet alive the world feels. With sustainable tourism and untouched landscapes, the Faroes are pure magic, still wild, still real. 8. Kyoto's hidden temples, Japan, beyond the tourists. Bamboo forests, quiet shrines, moss gardens. In Japan, beauty often hides in silence. While most visitors crowd Tokyo and Osaka, Kyoto's hidden temples offer peace and reflection. Visit Gyoji Temple with its lush moss garden or Atagi Nenbutsuji, guarded by hundreds of smiling stone statues. These places whisper stories of centuries past, far from the city rush. In 2025, spiritual travel is rising, and Kyoto's forgotten corners offer exactly that. 9. Patagonia, Chile, Argentina, land at the end of the world. Glaciers, mountain peaks, endless wilderness. At the southern edge of South America lies Patagonia, where the earth feels untouched by time. Here, mountains rip through clouds, ice fields stretch forever, and silence reigns supreme. Trek through Torres del Paine, sail beside glaciers, and camp under skies so clear they seem infinite. Patagonia isn't just a destination, it's a test of awe. If adventure runs in your blood, this is where you'll find yourself. 10. Isle of Skye, Scotland, mystical highlands. Mist-covered cliffs, waterfalls, fairy pools. Our final gem takes us to the Isle of Skye in Scotland, a landscape straight from legend. From the Old Man of Storr to the fairy pools, every corner tells a story of myth, mist, and magic. Drive the narrow coastal roads, explore ancient castles, and lose yourself in raw, windswept beauty. In 2025, the Isle of Skye remains one of the world's most atmospheric and photogenic destinations. A tribute to hidden beauty. Visual montage of all featured destinations, oceans, mountains, villages, temples. From stone cities to blue villages, from Arctic peaks to jungle valleys, the world is full of hidden gems waiting to be found. So when you travel in 2025, look beyond the obvious. Choose the road less taken, and you'll discover that the world's greatest treasures are often the ones no one told you about. Soft music fades. The screen transitions to your channel logo. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.